So we are at the InterContinental Presidente in Mexico City. And this room is on the 39th floor, which is the club level. And they've got a really, really nice club on this floor. So it is a club level room and extremely functional, extremely bright lights, but you can turn the shades down if you want. But it's got a really great view. A little bit of that haze, but the view is quite spectacular. And not a lot. There's a proper desk, which is great because it's a proper desk with a view. The mini bar area is over here, right in here. And there's also all of the glassware for the coffee machine and all of that. More glassware down there. Full room service menu, which is great because you know at TravelZork Travel we love our room service. Some really nice welcome treats. I think this is a coat hanger, but I can't figure that out. It's a little bit odd. And just walking this way, so you have your whole sink area outside of the bathroom, which works well. You also have the safe in the closet over there. And then just a quick peek at the bathroom, which is rather small, and the toilet and the shower. It does not have a separate toilet room. I would say this is a perfect room for an individual business traveler. But it definitely, and it's fine for a couple too. A couple that is happy being close to each other, not two friends sharing a room. Though they do have these rooms with 2 queen beds, which are about the same size, and these king rooms connect to the 2 queen beds. So that is about everything, and I will leave you with a picture of the view. And once again, that's the InterContinental Mexico City, which is also part of the Destined program, which used to be Luxury and Lifestyles. Thank you again for checking out another TravelZork Travel video and hotel review. Absolutely lovely room service presentation. Look at the beautiful tablecloth. Nice napkins, shiny napkins, and condiments. Ooh, some jalapenos and other things. Bread basket for my club sandwich. And I got some steamed vegetables and a glass of white wine. But really, really proper and lovely room service presentation. Bravo. The club lounge is literally right down the hall from your room, so it makes it completely convenient to come to the club. And they have breakfast and an evening happy hour and hors d'oeuvres and some little treats during the day. But what's so cool, you need key access for the club lounge right here. When you get off the elevators, this shows you the name of the club. They also have a bunch of computers. The club is that way. And basically your room is right down this hall. And that's super cool to just be able to go right down the hall to your room. And if you want to go to the club in the morning for breakfast, or pop in for a drink at night, or pop back out, it's just super convenient. And there are not a ton of rooms on this floor, so it's really pretty exclusive. I love these club lounge levels that are designed this way, where the rooms flow directly into the lounge. So that's a really great consideration, and InterContinental does one of the best jobs with their club lounges.